Abandon. To leave a place, thing, or person, usually forever. The game was abandoned at halftime because of the poor weather conditions. Beware. To be careful of something or someone that is dangerous. You should beware of driving fast on wet roads. Claim. To say that something is true or is a fact. He claims to have met the president, but I don't believe him. Evoke. To make someone remember something or feel an emotion. That smell always evokes memories of my old school. Haunt. Cause repeated suffering or anxiety. Fighting in Vietnam was an experience that would haunt him for the rest of his life. Instead, rather than as an alternative. Theirs is no coffee, would you like a cup of tea instead? Magnify. To make something look larger than it is, especially by looking at it through a lens. Although our skin looks smooth, when magnified it is full of bumps and holes. Neglect. To not give enough care or attention to people or things that are your responsibility. She's been neglecting her studies this semester. Numerous. Many. We have discussed these plans on numerous occasions. Pursue. To follow someone or something, usually to try to catch him, her or it. The hunters spent hours pursuing their prey. Patience. The ability to wait for something without getting upset. Have patience, the train will be here soon. Shelter. A place to go that is safe from danger or bad weather. During the conflict, he sheltered war refugees in his hotel. Sympathy. Feeling sad for someone else. There was an instant sympathy between the two men. Tuition. It is the amount of money that is paid to go to school or university. The school has raised tuition again. Vanish. Disappear suddenly and completely. Dinosaurs vanished from the Earth 65 million years ago. Wicked. Evil or morally wrong. He's got a wicked gaming system. Yield. Give way to arguments, demands, or pressure. The Western powers now yielded when they should have resisted. Accuse. To charge with the fault, offense, or crime. He was accused of statutory rape. Ancient. Belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence, the ancient civilizations of the Mediterranean. Bilingual. Using or able to use two languages, especially with equal fluency, bilingual in English and Japanese.